Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer crypto uh from Kraken to Phantom wallet. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your Phantom wallet. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna generate an address. So I'm gonna hit receive, and I'm gonna select my coin. In my case, I'm using Bitcoin, so I'm gonna select Bitcoin from here, right? So this is your Taproot address. So basically, make sure when you withdraw the money or basically transfer the crypto from your Kraken to Phantom wallet, make sure that it says at Taproot address. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the address. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up my Kraken wallet and verify, of course, via facial recognition. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the portfolio as we mentioned before, right? And then select the crypto. In our case, we are using Bitcoin, right? So I'm gonna hit Bitcoin right here, click the three dots next to my BTC, right? And I'm gonna hit withdraw BTC to an external wallet, okay? And enter the amount, right? You can use Bitcoin as a network or OP mainnet, right? Or Lightning, okay? So if basically I'm gonna select the nearest option, which is the first one, right? And then I'm gonna add the new address. Let me go, okay? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paste the link, paste the withdrawal address, and then I'm gonna continue to verify my address, and I'm gonna be able to receive it in, basically 20 to 35. Sometimes it takes about an hour to receive it. So basically that's it. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.